Here's a Bel Aire we picked up. We've had this one on the lot for a minute. Tried to sell it whole, nobody wants it, so gonna part this sucker out. Who needs a part off of this thing? I know there's something out here somebody needs. Hey, still some good usable chrome on there. It's got a little pitting on it, but it's a pretty little bird. There's some good yard art, wall art stuff here too. You can do a lot of things with these parts. You can make stuff out of them. I had a guy come by today hunting a tailgate. He was going to make a bench out of it. So there's a lot of stuff you can do with these parts. You just got to have some imagination to go with it. These doors you could take and you could paint something on the side of the door, Dad's garage, or whatever you felt like. There's a lot of nice chrome on here. This car, we actually got oil cans out of the trunk of it. Again, it won't open. They were Esso oil cans, and they were pretty neat. We sold all those. We don't have any of them left, but the trunk was full of it. You see some chrome on here. This is busted. It's still got some chrome around got the chrome on the outside. Some nice chrome down the side here. Got the Bel Aire right there. There's some nice chrome around the tops up here. That stuff's hard to take off. My husband's learning. He's been having to take off parts lately, and it is not an easy job, let me tell you. With them rusted bolts and bolts breaking, can't figure out how to get it off. It's a struggle for us, but we're making it. These little vent windows are out here. We haven't figured out how to get them things out yet. They are so hard. We got one out, I think, and then that piece right there is about to come off. But he struggled to get it out. Why can't these doors ever open? I could never get the doors open. It's like it's got Chevrolet on the inside on the dash there. It's got the speedometer, the steering wheel. Looks like it's got the chrome speaker cover and the glove box. It's got a little bit of a seat in there, not much. Let's see. Got the back seat in there. I can never get these doors open. It's terrible. And I know that video is going to suck, but I can never get them open. Somebody needs something off of this car. Hit me up. Let me know what parts you need. We're in Toccoa, Georgia. 706-244-4338. We'll be glad to ship whatever you want. We've got a third-party transporter that'll bring the whole vehicle if you want it. Parting out a lot of things. Got to get some stuff going before the end of the year. Call me.